Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the battery from a Cadillac XTS. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. The battery in your Cadillac XTS is conveniently located under the rear seat, so you'll need to access that area. Now, let's disconnect the terminals. Always start with the negative terminal. Use a wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away from the battery. Next, repeat this exact process for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are completely free and cannot accidentally touch the battery posts. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery's hold-down mechanism. This could be a clamp or a strap, so unfasten it completely. Batteries are quite heavy, so lift it with care, using proper lifting techniques to avoid injury. Once removed, take a moment to clear any debris from the battery tray. Before installing your new battery, it's a good idea to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly. This ensures a good connection. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated securely. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, to complete the process safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.